Hi Crab Cakes, I'm Emil Hinault, this is Pensy, and this is Zephyr. And this is the Big Crab Cake channel. We've got a special announcement today. We're talking about the brand new D56Club.com internet forum. It's a forum that was recently started to fill a gap in the social media area of our hobby. So there are a lot of small Department 56 clubs that exist, and those are great. A lot of times they're sort of restricted to regional areas where people can drive to meet with each other every so often. And so that's nice, but there's a limit to how many people can really be involved in something like that and to how much knowledge then base can be created from a smaller group. So we're not really looking to take the place of that. We're looking to sort of supplement that. And this is also true of the Facebook groups. There's some excellent Facebook groups. They provide a lot of information. It's a little bit hard to navigate compared to the way a forum works. If you're looking for a specific topic or you want to be involved in a dialogue about something specific, it can be a little bit difficult in a Facebook group just because of the way posts are placed at the top or moved around. And I think a forum really helps out. That is probably a little bit more, it's organized in a way that lends itself a little bit better to more specific, longer conversations or longer postings of information about one specific topic. So we're also not really looking to necessarily replace Facebook groups. It's really just something that's an additional benefit. Another avenue, just another tool to use in really ways to enjoy our hobby. We've seen this play out in the model train arena, where a group of us started a train forum called the ogaugeforum.com. It's been very successful, and we're translating that experience and a little bit of expertise into a new forum specifically for Department 56 enthusiasts, and it is called the D56Club.com. You can just type that right into your search page or right into the address bar, D56Club.com, and you'll come to our page, and you'll find that you can register, become a member. It's absolutely free. We don't take sponsorships. It's sort of like the way public television is, or maybe Consumer Reports. We don't take advertisements and sponsorships. That way we're not beholden to anybody. We can have any kind of dialogue that we want to have that's honest and open, and as long as it's respectful to one another. So we don't allow any kind of trolls or mean talk. It's just nice collegial friendships and friends talking about a common hobby. The D56 Club is more than just a forum though. We do monthly Zoom meetings, and we do special events like dinners in association with any kind of large conventions or meets. So it's really fun. It's just a group of friends. Please join up. If you really like it, you can also become a premium member for $25 a year. And to do that, you just click on the store button of the website and then click on premium membership. Now, to help us get started, Department 56, the company, has been very wonderful in allowing us a license to make a welcome gift for our premium members. And it is this flag. And on the bottom it says D56Club.com, and the flag says Department 56 with the 56 in a circle logo. The name Department 56 and the Department 56 logo are registered trademarks of the Enesco Limited Liability Company, and in this case they are used with permission. So we're really thankful to them. Thank you, Department 56, for working with us in helping us to lay the groundwork and foundation for what's really going to be a wonderful club for a wonderful group of people. And so we have this great looking flag, and it can be part of your layout and as well. All you need to do is become a premium member of our forum. There's a limited number of these. I forget the exact number, 200 maybe, something like that. I think there's probably maybe 250, less than 100 still available. Might even be less than that. So if you're interested, I would act right away, because once they are gone, then they're gone for good. We do plan to have future club-only offerings. One that we've been working on in production in association with the Brooklyn Models Company is a Santa Jeep and trailer of toys that is actually in production now, or it's just beginning production now. There's a picture of that in the store on our forum. They're no longer available to order, but we'll be doing a club car like that every year, and will only be for our D56 Club.com members. So something special and unique. So we hope to see you on the D56Club.com. I'm there, and so are a lot of really great folks. I mentioned that we will have monthly Zoom meetings, and the next one coming up is March 12th at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Anyone is welcome to join. You have to be a member. Please sign on if you're interested. We're going to have a demonstration on that day that's also going to be simulcast or simultaneously streamed to this YouTube channel, the Big Crab Cake channel. And what we're going to make is an Easter basket layout. I've always said that this hobby, whether it's D56 villages or model trains or model cars, can be very expensive, but it doesn't have to be. And I've spent a lot of time going to estate sales, yard sales, flea markets, trade shows, sometimes eBay, they're not always that cheap, and looking for good deals. And you can find them if you put in the time. So yesterday, I went to an estate sale, and not knowing what might be there or might not, and I did find this basket. And we're going to use this for our Easter basket demonstration. It turns out that this is, let me read this, a Longaberger basket, which is hand woven by the Longaberger Baskets Company of Dresden, Ohio. And on the back, I'm not a basket person, but I understand that these are valuable and that this is a big deal. There's some initials, and it says 2000 under it. So I guess that means this is from 2000. I don't know. It's in perfect condition. It has a liner to it. So I'm not sure if this is used for, like, if you have a party or something, you put rolls in or fruit or something like that. Or maybe the liner's to keep it dry so you could put flower arrangement. I'm not really sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments section below. I'd be interested to find out. Anyway, we're going to be building an Easter display in this basket. We're going to be using the Department 56 Happy Easter House, and this one is model number 5655090. It's part of the Snow Village Easter collection, and it comes with a couple of figures of kids looking for Easter eggs. Now, I found this used, and I got a really good deal on it. Part of the reason I got a good deal on it is that one of the figures in it is missing a hand. So we're going to do some modification of that too, rather than just not using it. I mean, it was still good, even without the figures, is a great deal on this house. But there's ways to fix some of the things. Sometimes if they're broken, you just glue them back together, but sometimes if it's missing, and you're a little creative, you can come up with a solution to still use that figure. We're going to do that as part of creating that display. So we're going to use this Happy Easter house and a Longaberger basket and create an Easter display. And once we've finished the display, we're going to give it away as part of a contest. There'll be a drawing for any of our premium members that are logged in through the Zoom meeting portion of this simulcast. And we'll draw, and one of those lucky members will win the display, and we'll ship it to them right away, and they'll have it in time for Easter. It should be an exciting meeting. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and somebody's going to have a little bit of Easter display for their house this year that they weren't expecting. So I encourage you to visit the D56Club.com site, register if you like, and become a premium member if you can, and participate in the forum. It's a great place to make friends and talk about our awesome hobby. Well, that's all for now. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like it, please click the subscribe button. We'll see you next time on the Big Crab Cake channel.